have converted 11 pages into one page. I came for this 2 days of the super study workshop and I've learned many new techniques how to make study easier. I'm very thankful to Dhritik coach because he have only taught me many new techniques how to make study more easy and how to learn it very fast.
Wonderful. Now tell me, much more easier right now is fun and easy or the before one? Which is
now it's more easier.
Wonderful. Can you please explain me what is this mind map?
In social science, first chapter of French Revolution. In this chapter, we will I will just say about Louis XVI and the Bourbon family. In this social society, there are 3 estates: clergy, nobility and third estate, in which clergy and nobility will not pay taxes, but the third estate should pay taxes. Rather, first estate and second estate have much money, then also they will not pay that much taxes, but third estate should pay taxes. In which we are having events in 1789, we are having 4 events. First, May 5, Estate Gate, June 20 in Tennis Court, and in June 14 Bastille. In the June 20 Tennis Court, when the local people have attacked on the Bastille, that time Louis XVI have appealed that everyone are going against him. That's why he have kept one meeting. In that, everyone have attacked on them and gone to the tennis court. After that, they started the discussion, and the causes were the Bourbon taxes, rising of the middle class, financial crisis, and extravagance royal laws, in which the Louis XVI have invested much money in their palace and furthermore things. He are married in the age of 20 and at the end he have gone some money issues. The outcomes came that the end of the monarchy, the declaration of rights, abolishment of feudalism, in the rise of Napoleon's and the France Republic. And that is the story about it. And now it's very easy for me to study now because I have converted 11 pages into one page.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Sachin and I am a life coach. I use games, activities and exercises to teach young champions valuable life skills and study skills. Continue to watch our videos, share them, subscribe to our channel and please do comment.